Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam, and today we're diving right in. We're going to start off first off explaining our ingredients. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. First off, we have cream cheese that has been softened. We also have some crab. Now, this is imitation crab. I don't think crab rangoon is worth real crab because it's really just for the flavor more than the actual crab itself. Although it's called crab rangoon, and you want to use wonton wrappers. These are the small ones. Soy sauce, I like the dark soy sauce, a little garlic powder, and then you'll need a little oil for frying. That's all the ingredients that you'll need to make this fabulous crab rangoon. Also, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. We've already softened our cream cheese and I've just added the crab into it. This is a real simple, easy, and quick recipe. Just a few drops of soy sauce. We don't want our filling to be liquid, and a dash of garlic powder. You're going to mix this up until it's nice, creamy, smooth, and the right texture that you'd like to have. Just mix it up really well. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share it out if you can. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Also, if you want to receive exclusive recipes as well as be notified every time I drop a video, sign up at my website, Cooking at Pam's Place. It's free to sign up and you'll be notified and get those exclusive recipes too. Now that we've got it pretty much mixed up together, you always want to go in and just give it a little taste to make sure that you can taste the flavors that you want inside the crab rangoon. Make sure you have enough garlic in there and it's just nice and creamy for you. Now I'm going to add just a dash bit more of soy sauce. That's what that taste did for you. You can feel and taste what you have inside. All right, next we're going to be doing our filling, and that is really quick and easy too. See how nice and creamy that is? This is the texture you want, and this is what you're looking for after you have everything all mixed up. So now we're going to get our wonton wrappers out. We also need just a little bit of water. You're going to need the water, or you can use milk if you like as well, so that we can seal it. Make sure your counter is absolutely clean because we're going to be using it, or whatever your work surface may be. So now we're just going to get a spoon. You will probably need 2 spoons for this, but I don't really measure. You just want a little bit in the center. Now I will have the exact instructions and the recipe down in the description for you all so that you can make it in your kitchen too. Dab a little water on all 4 corners, then make sure your hands are dry and take 2 of the corners, put them together and pinch. Take the other 2, bring them up and pinch those as well. This creates the shape of the crab rangoon, just like that. Just like that. So now I'm going to do one more for you guys because I want to make sure you got it. And I'm probably using about a half of a tablespoon of this filling in each one. Again, dab all 4 corners with just a little bit of water or milk. Dry that finger back off. Pull the 2 ends together, pinch. Pull the 3rd end together, pinch. And the last one, then pinch all 4 together right in the center. And there you have it. That water makes it stick together. Now I'm going to go ahead and bang the rest of them out. Okay, our oil is hot. We want to sit them in one by one. You want your oil about 300, just a little bit less than normal frying temp, because they don't need to really cook inside. You're just looking for the wonton wrappers themselves to become golden brown. So make sure they don't stick together. Put them in one by one and then move them around. Now, I'm only making a handful today because, well, I'm the only one in my house that likes cream cheese. So I'm going to make these for myself. So I only have a few here and I've put them all in, but that's about as much as I would put into this pot unless I had a larger pot. Make sure you're constantly moving them around so that they won't stick together and they will brown nicely. Once they're pretty much golden brown on one side, go in and flip them over. Now, sometimes they flip themselves back over, so you have to watch out for that. And if they do, just, well, flip them over again. Okay, these are just about done. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. And if you could smell them, they smell absolutely divine. Thank you all once again for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. Look at that. Golden brown deliciousness. That's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, now I'm going to bring you guys in closer so you can take a look. Okay, guys, we are all done. Look at that. Look at how nice and crispy they are. They are amazingly delicious. Oh my goodness, if you all could just smell them. Thank you so much once again for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, and share it out. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.